Alright, it's your last weekend before school starts. What do you want for dinner? Your choice.
Pizza.
Pizza, so you mean like pizza that is like pepperoni, sausage, extra anchovies, mushrooms, all of that stuff?
No, pepperoni.
No? Pepperoni? Just pepperoni? Alright, I guess we're doing 2 pizzas outside on the kettle. Alright guys, just to give you a quick description of how I set my kettle up for cooking pizza. I have a pizza stone, but I honestly don't use it. I set this up in a baking method. I'll line my charcoal on the outer wall back here. It's gonna get a screaming hot, well over 400 if at all possible. We can get it. I take my charcoal trays and I set them up in an upside down position on top of the regular grate. And you can use a regular pizza pan, I tend not to be able to get a good crust that way. I recommend any pan with holes in it. That way you can get the crust nice and crisp. And I actually like these pizza screens. This is a small 12-inch one. It does great for especially a thin crust pizza. And it gets the crust just perfect. And I just basically set it on here while it's cooking. Put the lid on, let her bake. I'll come out and turn it halfway. With a quarter turn and another half turn. Gets good coverage all around the pizza. Alright guys, as we said, it is back to school time here and we are going to cook up a couple pizzas and we'll do it out here on the kettle and we're going to get ready. And we're going to work some dough here. I didn't do any fancy dough. I just jiffy pizza dough, did it up like the directions. I'm going to get this worked up. It's been back here rising for about 30 minutes and work it out here, get it on a pan using a pizza screen. I showed you earlier in my description of how to set it. We're gonna set it up, let her put together her pizza. Let's get busy. You ready? All right. We'll work our dough.
Soft.
Touch it. She did wash her hands. Here's our pizza sauce. Nothing fancy tonight. It's gonna be good though. It's fine. We'll grab that bag of cheese right there. Just a little, it's just Italian seasoning. Let's give it a little layer on here, a little extra layer of flavor. And some dried oregano leaves. Okay, I just want a thin layer all the way across, all the way over the pizza. Don't have to be real thick, okay? Try not to get flour all over the floor like I'm doing. I seen that.
I didn't take it.
I seen you sneak that piece.
No.
I seen you sneak that piece of cheese. Come on. What we're gonna do here? Lay the pepperonis out. I'm gonna let you do all this. Just lay them out, starting on the outside. Go all the way around and fill up the entire pizza, okay? You're on deck here. Go back some more cheese on top. Just another thin layer, just like you did. Okay? Alright, pick this up and slide that pan under, baby. Set it down. There we go. Looks pretty good to me. What do you think? Is that your first pizza?
No.
Is that your first one you ever put together?
Yeah.
Alright.
I think so.
You doing a smiley face?
Yep.
right there. There's your smiley face pizza. This is gonna be done the way I want it.
Yeah. Big.
A bit bigger.
It's smelly
You don't want to go real thick, but we want a lot of stuff on here. Alright? Alright. That's gonna be good. I don't want it real thick. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Little Italian seasoning. Oregano leaves. And get your cheese, get it going. Just kind of thin like you did on your pizza. With the pepperonis, again, I don't want them as heavy as what we did on yours. Kind of like that will go all the way around it, okay? Because we're gonna have other toppings on here. You don't have to do as much. More like that. So, there you go. Okay, that's good. Put the rest back in there. Except for the one you're sneaking out to eat. I see you. Alright, I'm just gonna do some Italian sausage. See that Canadian bacon right there? You do the same thing with that.
Looks
Looks like ham, don't it?
yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's Canadian bacon. Some mushrooms. And some ripe olives. Just a few. What am I missing? Anything? Everything but the front porch. Did you get a little bit more bacon? You get bacon all over? Alright. Go in another thin layer of cheese all over it. A little bit more. Here, let me get in it. Gotta wait for this fire to get going. There we go. You did good, girl. How is that for perfection? Look at Taylor's. Look at that. That is her back to school pizza. What do you think of that? You ready to go cook it?
Yeah.
All right, as soon as we get this grill heated up. And I don't even know what to call it. It's a loaded pizza. Got a little bit of everything. Pepperoni, sausage, Canadian bacon, regular bacon, mushrooms, olives. I think that's it. As soon as our charcoal comes up, we get it on the grill and we will get the pepperoni on first. Raring to go here. Grate on. Because of the angle of the charcoal, so I'm going to set this here. Oop. It's our pizza rack. Set this up so that the thermometer is over the pizza. Looking for a temperature of at least 450. I could go all the way up to 5. It'll come back down once the pizza's on. But all right, first pizza's going on. Put it in there. Covered up. We'll be back out in a few minutes to do some turning. All right, guys. Oh yeah. Coming along. We need to turn this. Full 90 degrees. Okay, I'm going a little crazy. I had you totally backwards. I should have had that vent over the pizza. Get the air flowing over here. I actually had it backwards, wondering why my heat was dropping off. I think we got it changed now, and I think we're coming back up right. But I'm gonna go ahead and make this, turn this 90 degrees right now. Alright guys, we're getting awful dark here. I don't know if I'm gonna make that 180-degree flip or not, just for a minute though. I think we're about done. It is a smaller pizza. Alright guys, I'm calling this pizza. Finished a little quicker than I thought. I'll get this off. I'll bring the other one right back out. And pizza number 2 is on. I'm not gonna bore you with the details of doing the exact same process on this, so I'm gonna go in and set up inside. Once this is done, we'll do a taste test and show off her pepperoni pizza. Alright, see it's smiley face. I'm not gonna make these youngins wait on this other pizza. Alright girl, let's analyze this pizza. Tell me what you think.
It's good.
Very good. Cheesy. Done. Everything's good. Alright. I kind of ruined your smiley face. Would you look at that? Oh yeah. Let me show you the crust on this pepperoni pizza over here. Just look at that. Perfect crust. This is the same way over here. I haven't cut it yet though. Getting ready to. We'll get you a critique. Okay, you see that? That is beautiful right there. Crust is the same as on the pepperoni. Very good. Give this a taste. Never disappoints. If anything, I got a little bit more done than I should have. One more. Folks, thanks so much for watching. Hey, I love doing this. I'm trying to do this every Saturday or very close to that. So, hey guys, if you like this video, give us a like, thumbs up, leave us a comment, and please subscribe if you haven't already. God love you folks. We will see you on the next one.